Hi guys, Dave here. I'm just going to show you how I've lifted my vehicle up so that you can do it in a safe manner. One of the main things you should be looking at is to make sure the jack is suitable for the task that you've got. The jack here is 2700 and each of the points on the car, the front is 1200 and the back is 1650. So therefore 1200 for the front, 2700, no brainer, easy. So make sure that you're within the limits of the jack itself before you even try to do it. The next thing is to make sure that you've got suitable stands. Each of those stands I have here are 3,000 kilos. Now obviously, as I said, that was 1,200 kilos, so that's 600 kilos each, so we're well in front of what we need to do. So just do a couple of pertinent things and just check your maths before you start lifting. Now when you're actually doing this for the first time, make sure the vehicle is on a level ground and chock the rear wheels. I've got chocks here which is suitable for what we're doing, but you can use anything, bricks or even a large rock if necessary when you're out in the field. But just make sure that when you've got everything set, it's set in a firm place, it's set on not gravel, it's set on areas that it's not going to move, not going to have any softness in it. The stands themselves are solid, and make sure that they're adjusted equally and will support the vehicle when you lower back down. There's a number of different ways you can do it. Obviously with the floor jack it's going to be a little bit different from what you do with the normal jack that comes with the vehicle. When you use the one for the vehicle, refer to your owner's manual and find the lifting points. On our particular vehicle here, they're under the arms here. One there and one the other side. And it gives you two different types of lifting points for the different heights of ground that you've got. So that's with this particular vehicle, but obviously make sure that when you look at your own, you refer to it properly. Do it all very slowly and make sure you double check everything. Okay guys, so there's a bit of an intro into how to lift your car correctly. Go through it slowly, do your sums, make sure everything's done properly, and look, do it safely and enjoy lifting. Thanks very much.